Thai crab fried rice. Ingredients: 3 tablespoons neutral cooking oil, 1 shallot peeled and thinly sliced, 2 tablespoons ginger freshly minced, 6 cloves garlic peeled and minced, 4 scallions trimmed and minced, divided, 3 tablespoons soy sauce plus more, if desired, 2 tablespoons fish sauce more or less, to taste, 1 tablespoon sambal oolek optional, 1 tablespoon Shaoxing wine optional, 1/4 teaspoon ground white pepper, 1 lime juiced, 4 cups cooked white rice, 2 eggs whisked until smooth, ½ cup fresh cilantro finely chopped, 16 ounces jumbo lump crab meat, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: cook the aromatics. Heat the oil in a wok over medium-high heat until very hot. Add the shallot and cook for 2-3 minutes until it begins to soften. Add the ginger, garlic, and half the minced scallions and cook for 45 seconds or until fragrant. Cook the sauce. While the shallot is cooking, combine all the ingredients for the sauce in a bowl, including the soy sauce, fish sauce, sambal oolek horseradish, Shaoxing wine, ground white pepper, and lime juice. Pour the sauce into the wok and bring to a boil. Cook for 30-40 seconds. Swirl the sauce around to incorporate it with the aromatics. Cook the rice. Add the rice to the wok and use your spoon to gently flatten it out across the wok and into the sauce. Cook without moving for 1 minute. Incorporate the egg. Pour the whisked eggs over the rice and cook for 1 minute more. Using your spoon or spatula, turn the rice and eggs into each other and flip until the egg is mixed well into the rice and the rice is well coated with the sauce. Cook the crab. Fold the crab and half the cilantro into the rice and cook, stirring occasionally, for 2-3 minutes more. Be careful not to overmix the crab as you want to maintain some of the large lumps. Taste and season the crab fried rice to your tastes, adding more soy sauce, fish sauce, or sambal oolek as desired. Turn off the heat. To serve, divide the crab fried rice between bowls and garnish with the remaining scallions and cilantro.